TGIF dragon fruit in oil paint try. So, I got these live fruit models the other day, I guess a week ago at the store, and I gotta say, a dragon fruit year, like a dog year compared to a person year, it just whizzes by. I don't know if there's an official dragon fruit year time, thing, but whatever it is, it's pretty fast. So this dragon fruit is already getting kind of shriveled up, and so I thought I'd better hurry up and try to paint it. A lot of the vibrant colors have been diminished, and so anyway, just trying to capture planes that are of the same tonal value on the dragon fruit. And there's a pink and a green and 6 or 7 different variations on each one. It looked kind of like a heart or a beetle, or God forbid it roadkill. Anyway, so I was painting along and wasn't really coming out too fantastic. I did a watercolor of a dragon fruit that came out really nice. Very popular video too. But anyway, fast forward to now, we are focused on oil painting. Anyway, so I got up to about this point and I'm thinking, well, what the heck is going on? And oftentimes when I'm trying to edit a video, then I can see the glaring shortcomings, and that's the big accomplishment for the day. And so I saw that we were missing a lot of darks and a lot of contrast to give it depth, so I attempted to add some darks and some contrast, and it's starting to take form slightly. I don't think if the dragon fruit was sitting there you would know what the heck it is, but that's okay, because an oil painting is a representation, not a photo image of a subject. Anyway, so tootling along and trying to get to a place where I could say it's finished, because that's where I got the finished look, and then trying to look at it from a distance, and looked okay. I don't know if it looks like a dragon fruit or not, but art fun.